It's a pretty simple old school system. Just a pretty old. Make sure it's safe to operate, but burners actually look pretty clean. So what we got is a thermocouple with a spark igniter. This is just a heating unit, no air conditioning. So here's our thermostat wiring. What we need to do is, so this is basically just on and off. So this is going to the thermostat here, and it's coming back from the thermostat here. So this will have 24 volts all the time, and the thermostat will decide whether or not, on a call for heat, if it's going to send 24 volts to the gas valve here. So we're going to bypass this by just putting it directly onto here to give us our 24 volts. No, we need this wire. This should light everything up. Okay, there's our spark and ignition. Now we need to let this thing warm up, and then this guy will turn the fan on once it reaches a set temperature. Only 125 or 50 or something. So our call today is for a vibrating noise. I'm going to try to see if we can get a vibration out of this thing. Hopefully eventually this thing will keep going here, because my legs are starting to go numb. These things can take a long time. It's old school controllers. Modern stuff is like on a timer. It'll just come on automatically after 30 seconds or whatever you set it for. This guy's got a piece of bimetal that goes into the unit. Okay. That does sound a little vibraty to me. And I'll tell you what, this heat exchanger was probably not in the best of shape.